everyone, so today's video is going to be on some easy hairstyles that you can actually do yourself. So I really hope you enjoy the kind of mini hair tutorials throughout this video, and let's get into it. So this first tutorial is how to create a bubble braid. So first I'm starting by brushing out my hair and separating 2 strands of hair which I will leave out of this hairstyle to frame my face. Next, I'm pulling the rest of my hair back into a ponytail and securing it with a hair elastic. Then I'm taking another hair elastic and tying it just like you would if you was doing a ponytail and leaving a small gap from the original elastic, and you'll see it makes a little bubble shape. Then you just want to repeat the process again until you've tied up all of your hair. And that's it. It's super quick to do but looks a lot more complicated than what it is. This second look is just a simple braid, but this style seems to be a big trend at the moment. So starting from the point last time of the ponytail, this time I'm braiding my hair instead of doing the bubble braid. So placing the left section over the middle section, then placing the right section over the middle one until I reach the bottom of my hair. You might see my hair's kind of blowing in a bit of wind. That's because I've had to have the fan on me because it's just so hot today. When I was filming this video, I thought, how am I going to do it without a fan? So yeah, I'm sorry if it's a little bit distracting, but it had to be done. Again, another really simple but effective hairstyle. So I'm leaving out 2 pieces around the front of my face again, and then pulling all the hair left over above my ears to the back of my head and tying it into a ponytail with a hair elastic. Next, I'm taking a little clip, but you could use a big one or a scrunchie and just use it to cover the hair elastic. And that is it. So fast, but again, looks like you've made an effort. Now onto a slick back low bun. So I'm tucking my hair behind my ears and pulling all of the hair into a ponytail just above the nape of my neck. The simplest way to create a bun is to twist your hair and then wrap it around itself and then tie a hair elastic over it to hold it in place. Then just mess around with it and pull at it to get it in the shape that you want, and that's it. Next is a high bun, so I'm flipping my head over and scraping all of the hair to the top of my head. And then I'm tying it into a ponytail at the top. Next, I'm twisting the hair and wrapping it around the base of the ponytail in a little circle and tying it in place with a hair elastic and grips, and it's as quick as that. on to a half up, half down look. I'm gathering all of the hair above my ears together into a little ponytail at the crown of my head. Twisting it and then wrapping it around to make a bun. Then I'm taking a hair clasp and putting it at the top of the bun, as I just feel like it really finishes the look off, and I feel like this hairstyle would be perfect for second day hair. I think this has to be one of my favourite hairstyles at the moment, so I'm separating again 2 strands near the front of my face and gathering the rest of the hair into a ponytail at the back of my head. You can do this as high or as low as you like. Then I'm taking my curling wand and just curling the front pieces away from my face and adding a few more curls into the ponytail, and that's it. And then finally, the last hairstyle is just a bun this time. So again, I'm starting with a ponytail. Twisting the hair, wrapping it around the base and securing it with a hair elastic. And that's the final look. A great option if you fancy mixing it up from the ponytail. That is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you did like it, because that would really help me out and I'd be so grateful if you did. Yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments too. Which hairstyle was your favorite? Do you have any easy go-to hairstyles that I maybe haven't shown in this video? Because I always love to hear what you think. And yeah, have a great day as always, and I'll speak to you all in the next video. Bye guys.